Hello, what is up creatives? This is Alan, the founder of The Hopeful Designer, and for today's tutorial, we're going to create a scuba diving poster. I know that some of you are really wanted to go at the beach because it's really hot, but it's quarantine. For now, we're going to take you there, but at a poster. So to start off, we're going to create a blank page. This is we're going to recreate that poster and go to photos and type in the search the word scuba diving. There we go. You can see that there are a lot of photos. You can use any photos in there, but for this time, we're going to use this this photo. So if you're wondering what is the name of this, it is called person on body of water. And the next is we're going to put in the text. As far as I remember, the name of the text was Monsterat Extra Bold. Yeah. Monsterat Extra Bold, where are you? There it is. So yes, it's bold, and we're going to bold it again. Yeah, you've heard it right. It's like extra bold. And then let's type in our word. And our word is dive into the deep blue sea, but of course you can use your own words for the poster you're going to create. And then next we're going to align its line height so that it will look good. And to make it more realistic, we're going to rotate it for at least 2 degrees. And then change its color for it to become visible into white. There we go. And here in the bubbles, as you can see, this kind of photo is not available at Canva Photos. I uploaded it and get it on stickpng.com. So shout out to you guys, to the website. So yep, I use these bubbles to make it more realistic, as if there are bubbles coming out of the oxygen of the snorkeler. You can see it looks more realistic and good right now. And let's lower its transparency so that it won't get in the way of our caption. And then for our different effects like the starfish, it is available on Canva Photos. What I did is just I remove its background and place it properly. And let's just wait for Canva to finish removing its background. And I just want to share to you guys, I had this crazy habit. Every time I remove the background of a photo, I try to minimize it as much as possible. I don't know why, but I get anxious. Click apply. And there we go. This kind of a little bit of detail to add the detail on the poster. So it might become a small image, but it will add a lot of effects on this to make it more look realistic. There we go. Let's add it on a I will not perfectly recreate the poster because the positions of the elements that I've used cannot be perfect. So are you, as long as it looks similar. There we go. I remember it's on the A, the whole of the A, right? And then next for the jellyfish, I also get it on Canva Photos. And Also, I remove its background. There we go. Really, Canva background remover has a lot of help in terms of creating designs. It just needs to be used properly, of course. The only issue is that sometimes it took too long for it to be saved, and when you move it and then it's not yet saved, sometimes it kind of gets blurry. And there we go. Let's just place this jellyfish. And now for this one's going to be a complicated one, but I know you can. So I'm going to teach you how I did on the hook, the fish hook. So first you find a photo that is available on Canva, and then you place it near the letter O, or whenever you wanted, as long as it is sticked on the letter, so that it will have an effect where in the letters being hooked. And then what you wanted to do next is you wanted to duplicate it, and the other duplicate, put it on, position it backwards of the letters, so that when you do this, when you crop it, it will have this kind of effect, like the letter O is being hooked right now, as you can see there, right? I don't know if you can see it, but yep, it's like that. And to make that hook a little more realistic, we're going to add a drop shadow on it. I hope you can follow, but this is just easy. There we go. I'm happy that Canva added this kind of zoom effect. It helps me a lot in terms of designing small details for the poster. There, just place it beneath the letter O and underneath the hook. Okay, I mean, it will really look good when it is unzoomed. Here, I'm just gonna adjust it a little bit, and there we have it. Yeah, yep. There we have it. A scuba diving poster, completely made and 100% made in Canva. Yep. If I can did it, I believe you can also did it. So there we have it. Maybe you still haven't have the ability to go to the beach this summer, but how I wish in this tutorial I have take you there. And into the upcoming tutorials, if you really like any Canva content, design posters, design hacks, you can follow me at Facebook, The Hopeful Designer, and Instagram, I am The Hopeful Designer. And also, please leave a comment on this poster, on your feedbacks or any questions that you have. Please like this photo and subscribe to the channel. It will be a good help for me. And also share this to your friends that you think will benefit for this channel. Once again, I'm Allen, The Hopeful Designer. See you on our next video. Bye!